Hi, how you doing? My name's Tony, and I'm going to talk to you about DNA. I'm an artist, so I really don't know a whole lot about DNA, but I've been told to give this to you, so here's the 60-second rundown. DNA was started by Gregor Mendel, and, well, he didn't start it, it's always been there. But he did experiments which sort of taught us about DNA, starting with the pea. Pea meaning, the vegetable, the pea. And he crossbred peas. And when he did this, he got different generations, and he discovered that certain traits or heredity could make up a pea through different generations. And he called this the Punnett square. Now, with this Punnett square, he could discover which generations would have recessive or dominant genes, meaning he could take pods that were yellow or pea pods that were green, and he could hybrid them, and then he could guesstimate or using this Punnett square figure out what the next generation would look like, whether they'd be yellow or green, wrinkled or smooth, and this was sort of the foundation of peas. Anyway, later on, some really smart guys, James Watson, Francis Crick, Rosalind Franklin, and Maurice Wilkins, did some groundbreaking work in chromosome research. Anyway, these four scientists were Nobel Prize winners for their work on chromosome research. What they figured out is what a chromosome is and what it holds. And what it holds is DNA. And DNA is the very fabric, the very thread, if you will, of human life, built up of amino acids, which creates protein. DNA holds traits and heredity and splits through either mitosis or meiosis to create all living things. And I'd like to illustrate for you now what it is, what exactly a DNA strand looks like. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and what it is it's basically a ladder structure. It's actually a lot more complicated than that, but for my brain, it's a ladder structure, and it's a phosphate sugar with rungs that are created out of they're called adenine, guanine, thymine, and cytosine. And these connect together in a certain way, break apart, and then reconnect again using RNA, which is ribonucleic acid. And these things, yeah, I quit. Forget it.